In this video, you will learn how to submit structured product data for decentralized registry on the Wireshape blockchain. You can enter all the necessary data about the products, such as brand, description, features, image, and other important information, which are recorded on the blockchain and stored in a distributed way in IPFS protocol. For each successful application, the contributor will receive rewards according to Wireshape's global product registry system, which uses the Token Curated Product Registry to predetermine the entire incentive mechanism that ensures that Wire token holders have a vested interest in maintaining the accuracy and quality of the information in the network. So let's submit a product data application. First of all, make sure you have the product in hand to ensure data fidelity, a ruler, and a high-precision scale for products up to 10 kilograms. On the Wireshape dApp platform, the link is in the description of this video. Click on Connect button to connect your wallet and sign. All applications on Wireshape dApp happen on-chain, so make sure you have in your wallet enough wire for the application and some wire for the gas fee. To start the application, simply click on Add Product button. The first requested data is the product's GTIN barcode. GTIN is the number that appears below the barcode on product packaging, widely used in retail for product identification. If the GTIN of the product you want to add has less than 13 digits, add some zeros before the number until it reaches 13 digits. Once the GTIN is recognized and verified that it still does not have a registry, two other fields will appear: product country and select category. The product country field will automatically be filled in with the region where the product GTIN was registered. Choose the category. Here my product fits into the food and beverages category. By defining it, all fields standardized for this category will be revealed for filling. Product brand. It is the brand referring to the individual product, usually in greater prominence on the label. Sometimes this can be a single brand that sells multiple products under its brand name as an umbrella brand, or the organization's brand, when there is no brand designated only for the product. Fill in title case. Product. Fill in which is the product. It is usually found in an informative way, often at the bottom on the front of the label. Fill in title case. Main features. Fill in if the label highlights a main feature, such as version, type, style, product line, flavor, or if the product comes in a can, bottle, or box, for example. Do not fill in here the brand, weight, or count if multi-pack. There are specific fields for this. Parent brand. Fill in if the label highlights the main brand of the company or organization. Sometimes this can be an umbrella brand. Fill in title case. Note this is a different field than product brand. Do not add the same brand here. Label main language. Sometimes a product can have multiple languages on the label, but select the main one here. Country of origin. Select the country where the product is produced. Description. The product description is a brief explanation of the product's key features, attributes, benefits, and relevant details. The purpose of the product description is to provide customers with important information about the product. Always give preference to insert the description that appears on the label. If this does not exist, fill in the description that can be found in the official promotional material for the product. Multiple paragraphs can be inserted. Product instructions. Fill in if there is a brief instruction about the product on the label. For example, shake before drinking. Warning text. Fill in if there is a warning text on the product label. It is a statement or notice that indicates potential hazards or risks associated with using the product. Poster image. The poster image must show the front of the product. Perspective is allowed and desired. This image must meet the following requirements: resolution greater than or equal to 1000 x 1000 pixels, white background, square image 1:1 ratio, sharp image, product framed in the center of the image. Be careful that there are no shadows obscuring the product or reflection that impairs the visibility and understanding of the product. Obey minimum and maximum margins. Net content type. Select how the product informs on the label the amount of the consumable product contained in the package, such as net weight, drained weight, volume, and count. Net content value. Enter the amount of the consumable product contained in the package. Fill in only numbers. Net content unit. Select the unit used to inform the net content. select the suitable storage instructions for the product. Storage instructions refer to such elements as temperature, light, and humidity. It means the instructions regarding how to store the product. Storage instructions note: fill in if the label contains a specific note with instructions about conservation and storage. It could be information about the refrigeration temperature or shelf life after the package is opened. Allergen information. Fill in if the label contains information about allergenic ingredients. Example: contains wheat, milk, and soy. Check is alcoholic if it is an alcoholic product. If it is an alcoholic product, specific information will be requested, such as drink type and alcohol percentage by volume. When selecting the drink type, specific fields for this type of product will be requested. However, in this case, it is not an alcoholic product, so I will uncheck is alcoholic. Observations. Here are some important features to inform if it appears on the label. Just check them from the given options. Ingredients. Insert one ingredient at a time, in lowercase, following the correct order indicated on the label. To add each ingredient, just hit Enter or click the Add button. Nutrition facts. Almost all food and beverage labels have the nutrition facts, but some do not. So disable this if there is no nutrition facts on the label. Otherwise, keep enabled and fill in according to the label information. Fill in the number of servings per container if provided. It is usually the first piece of information provided in the table. Fill in the serving size used for reference in the nutrition facts table. Fill in only numbers. In serving size unit, select which unit is used to inform the serving size. Serving size household measurement. Fill in if informed the common household measure used to indicate the portion size. Nutrients. Here, enter one nutrient at a time. Fill in the name of the nutrient. Fill in the amount of the nutrient in the serving. Select the unit used to indicate the amount of the nutrient, and fill in the % daily value if it is indicated in the table. Click on Add button to insert each row of information. Proceed with filling in the order given in the nutrition facts table. Daily calorie diet. Fill in if the diet daily calorie value is informed as a reference for calculating the % daily value. Now fill in the footnote of the nutrition facts table, if provided. This usually tells you if it does not have a significant value of some nutrient, or a statement about the calorie diet considered to establish the % daily values. Enable multi-pack if the product is packaged in a multi-pack. The product is considered multi-pack if it consists of a few units of a given product, which can also be sold separately, packaged together as a kit or a bale. Otherwise, keep disabled. If this is enabled, fill in the retail packaging and the count per pack. In package type, select which type of packaging the product is sold in. Now select which packaging material the product is sold in. And select the container material, which is the material of the product's receptacle, for example, glass in a beer bottle or plastic for a plastic bag containing cookies, which comes in a paper box. If the container is the package itself, select the same material as the package, and check recyclable packaging if the label contains this information. To obtain the gross volume of the product, use a ruler or similar measuring tool, and always measure the largest dimensions on each side of the product packaging. As a reference for measurements, consider the side with the front label as the front of the product. In length, fill in the depth of the product packaging. So fill in the width and the height of the product packaging. Now select the length unit used to inform the measures. Gross weight is the weight of the packaged product. To obtain the gross volume of the product, use a scale. We recommend using a high precision scale for products up to 10 kilograms. So fill in the gross weight of the packaged product. Select the unit used to inform the weight. If all required fields have been filled in, the Submit Application button will be enabled, so just click that and make sure you authorize the transaction in your wallet. Then we were redirected to the Applications page. Here you can see that the open voting period countdown has started. The community will have 24 hours to curate the data and vote for or against the application. By clicking on the Wallet Address button, you will be able to see your contribution history. We can see here the product just submitted. After the 24 hours voting period, if your application was successful, you will be able to claim rewards on this page. In History, you have access to your on-chain transaction history. Here you can check the block number, event, product G10, and view transaction on Wireshape Block Explorer. In the next videos, you can have more information about how voting works and how to claim your reward. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to join our communities where our members will be happy to assist you. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.